Here is the on 4K streaming device. I'm going to show you how to factory reset this without using the remote. So I just did a factory reset. I'm going to show you exactly what I did, okay? So first thing is make sure it's connected to your TV, okay? And now if you look in the back here, you have this little reset button here. So what we want to do is this. We want to press and hold this reset button, count to 5 seconds, okay? After 5 seconds, unplug this, count to 5 seconds again. Do not take your finger off the reset button. Pull it out, count to 5 seconds, then plug it back in, still holding on to this, and then count another 5 seconds, then let go of the reset button. So let's do it together, okay? Reset button here. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let go. Okay, now just wait a moment now and we should go boot up into the Android recovery menu here. Okay, here's the Android recovery menu. And then from here, what we want to do is we want to go down to wipe data / factory reset. So how you do that? The reset button. Okay, if you tap the reset button once, it's going to keep going down. We're going to keep tapping it again. Now it's on wipe data / factory reset. Now to select it, we have to long press it. Just press and hold until the color changes on there. Okay, so reset button, ready. Wipe data factory reset, that's what we want. Press and hold, ready. Hold. Now let go, it turned green, okay? Now, this is basically saying once you do this, this cannot be undone. So if you want to continue, we're going to go down to factory data reset. Just tap the reset button once. And now to select it, we're going to press and hold, long press now. Ready, set, press and hold, wait till it changes color. Now let go. It's erasing and factory reset formatting has been completed. Now, all you got to do is go ahead and just reboot the system now, which is already highlighted. So from here, all we got to do is just press and hold that reset button to select it. Long press. Go ahead and let it restart now. Just be patient on the screen now. And then once it's done, we should be at the screen where you have to pair your remote. Just like when you first bought it, you took everything out of the box and you went to set it up. And voila, we are now in business. Now you can start over with the setup process if you had issues before, or we can just go ahead and sell it at this point.